Most people think that AI is just a chatbot. Let me show you what it looks like when AI agents can actually talk to each other. So that's why I built a bridge, and I'm going to show you how it works. So here's what's happening right now. When one of the agents sees something, they send it here to this chat, and then the other agents then start acting on it or use that information for whatever task they've been set out to do, which is really cool because it means that they kind of have their own Slack. Like, I'm not needed anymore. But again, it's actually kind of scary knowing that they can communicate without me. But this was what was missing when I noticed I was trying to do work. Like, I don't want just AI agents. I want AI agents that can collaborate and communicate with each other. So here's how simple it is. Each agent has an API key, which is connected to OpenClaw. Now, for the record, if you want your agents to communicate seamlessly together, then it's better to put them all on the same computer rather than getting separate Macs like I did and then having to build an interface so that they can just communicate. Because when they're all on the same computer, I think it has something to do with their IP addresses. It's all the same, so they can easily just send a message to each other, wake each other up, whatever. But what I've done is I've given each agent instructions to regularly check their messages, see what they need to do. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you a real example of how they execute together. I'm going to give the master chief of staff, Garland, Agent Garland, a task, and I'm going to tell him to work on it with the others. And let's see how well they do it and how the whole process works. So as you can see here, I've told the chief of staff, Garland, to basically, update the communication so I can show you guys, right? So yeah, if you look here, obviously we got the two other agents active because Garland has given them instructions, right? And you can see here in the messages, their communication. And all I've asked them to do is just to demonstrate them communicating together so that you guys can see it. But yeah, you see it here. Garland has given Blade a task and Blade has received it and responded and is now active to do something for the YouTube demo. I just said to them, look, I'm doing a YouTube demo to demonstrate it. Just show, communicate guys so that they could see. But normally what I would do is, let's say I wanted to get like a YouTube video done, or I wanted to get some TikTok shop data to know what to promote or give me some script ideas. I'll tell my main chief of staff, Garland, okay, I would like you to prepare me a list of products I should be working on this next quarter. And of course, I'll add the link to my TikTok shop page. My agent already knows my TikTok shop page, so it will just know, okay, he's focused on men's clothing or makeup, beauty, whatever. And then it will do the research and stuff like that. But it assigns each task to each agent, so they're working in collaboration with each other and just producing a better result overall. But what I like, that's a really cool feature, is even though I didn't message my agent Blade, I messaged Garland for, to give Blade tasks. Blade then messaged me on Telegram saying, look, I've received the tasks from Garland and I'm starting to get active working on them, which is just amazing because it gives me that extra, comfort in knowing that they're working whilst I'm chilling, sleeping, doing whatever. I just think it's insane that in 2026, this is what real delegation looks like. We're just in another time period, man. Right now, most people are still using AI one interaction at a time. You send it a message, ask it a question, it responds back. But in case you haven't noticed, the future of AI is a team. You focus on higher level decisions, the ultimate decisions. Then you've got the agents that are specialized in different things, all coordinating with each other, almost like a company, basically. It's going to be pretty cool to see the people who do this first and figure this out are going to just have a massive major advantage in the future. Imagine having like a research team, a content team, or operations team, all at the cost of just running some API tokens. And it's crazy because as time goes on, you're going to find better ways to optimize, keep the cost down of the API tokens you're spending. But this is just the beginning. This is a very basic level. I could just see what the agents are doing. I'm gonna be adding a lot more to it. I just wanted to get the basics out and then share it with you guys. Eventually, what I would love is for Garland, my main chief of staff, to sign up new agents and assign them tasks or projects. That is crazy, but I think it can do it. It's basically an army building itself, and I'm documenting the whole thing. Like, yeah, that's just scary and really cool at the same time. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna document the whole thing. Stay tuned and stay subscribed. I'm gonna share my whole journey, stuff that I learned anyway. I'll share it with you guys. Take care.